A for apple, red and sweet. B for balls, that rolls down the street. C for cap, so soft and small. D for dog, it loves to call. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, it hops along. G for grapes, purple and green. H for hat, the coolest you've seen. Let's sing the alphabet, A to Z. Learning letters is fun, you'll see. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. The ABCs are such a treat. I for igloo, chilly and white. J for jelly, it's a wobbly delight. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, the king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging around. N for nest, where eggs are found. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for penguin, black and white. Let's sing the alphabet, A to Z. Learning letters is fun, you'll see. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. The ABCs are such a treat. Q for queen, the royal crown. R for rainbow, up and down. S for sun, shining so warm. T for train, blowing its horn. U for umbrella on a rainy day. V for violin, let's start to play. W for whale, big and blue. X for xylophone, a song just for you. Y for yo, 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 up and down it goes. For zebra, with stripes on its toes.